Hey there, Shawn Bayley, and welcome to this video here. And I'm going to cover today how to make $3,395 in the ClickFunnels affiliate program without the usual mistakes. So you can see I took this actual screenshot from my ClickFunnels affiliate portal here just to show you, and I'll probably have to do an update here because this is probably gone and changed because of what I'm going to show you in this video here. So before we get too far into it, if you wouldn't mind doing the usual things like click on like and subscribe and notify if you want to get notified every time I make a new video. I thank you in advance. It really helps me out with YouTube. So let's get to it here and get into what I'm calling the lazy affiliate formula, also known as the mistakes that you want to avoid. And it basically boils down to three things, so let's go into each one in a little bit more detail. So the first mistake here is don't link spam. So basically what that means is just going and getting your affiliate link and just blasting it all over the internet. You've probably been in, I don't know if you've had this experience, I'll tell you, just the other day I was actually in a Facebook group and it was a fairly reputable group, but this guy just kept dropping into every little conversation, just kept dropping his affiliate link for a product with no like value in front or even hey how's it going, just kept blasting this link to his affiliate product, and it was just awful. And that's just, so what you want to do is make the world a better place by creating offers, okay? Because offers are what will actually make you affiliate sales, especially when it comes to ClickFunnels, as far as what I've found and what I'll show you here in this video. Now the great thing is that with ClickFunnels they have a thing called the One Funnel Away Challenge. That training specifically will teach you how to make offers. One of the best trainings I've ever gone through in regards to creating offers, and I'll show you what I mean. So now let's take a look at this one for example here. So if you're promoting something, it's just a product, right? So you could go and you could promote funnel scripts. Here's everything they get when they sign up with funnel scripts. It's an awesome product. It generates sales copy so that people don't have to go and hire expensive copywriters like myself. And it's fantastic. You fill in some blanks and it generates a ton of sales copy in a very short amount of time. So you could go and you could say, hey, go buy funnel scripts, go buy it. It's super awesome. And people would be like, oh, okay, well, it's just a product. Yeah, that's cool. Or you can do what I did and turn it into an offer. So now we've got an offer because what will happen is we can say, hey, you could go get plain old funnel scripts, right? Or you get funnel scripts plus all these bonuses that I've created to go along with it here in this bonus program that I'm calling the Funnel Scripts Fast Track. Now I'll have some links below to all these things that I'm kind of referencing so you can check out these examples. But you can see what I did was I created some bonuses to go along with funnel scripts. So I told them that they're going to get a video where I walk them through the entire dashboard and show them how to use funnel scripts. I give them a little training about how to create an instant offer. Give them another training that says that shows them how to create head-turning headlines, because headlines are one of the most underrated and most important parts of any sales message, web page, email message, whatever. The headline, it's all about the headline. So I give them a training in regards to that. And then I top it off with the Funnel Scripts Side Hustle, where I show them how to go and take what they're getting with funnel scripts and turn that into actual dollars in their pocket by creating a done-for-you service that they can go and sell and offset the cost of funnel scripts, because it's a pretty penny for that one. So the last thing that they can get is actual one-on-one with me if they want to talk to a certified copywriter in regards to the copy that they're generating. But the thing is that when we go and create something like this, it's really about why not get the bonuses, because as I just showed you in this example, they could go just get that product, or they could get that product and the bonuses, right? So why not get the bonuses? I actually emailed one of the people who took me up on this offer and asked them, what was it about it that made you, in this example he says, the deal was sealed for me because of the Funnel Script Side Hustle offer. I need to generate cash, and that was a big purchase I knew I was going to make anyways, so why not get the bonuses? So this is what I mean. If you go and create offers, that's what makes affiliate sales, and that's how I did this. So next thing is getting too complex, make it hard for people to understand. Make it simple to understand. Here's what you get, and here's the big benefit. Where do I send your bonuses? And here's what to do next. So I'll show you a couple examples here. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be simple. So if you take a look and see in this one here, so for the One Funnel Away Challenge, so they can get some bonuses from me if they sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I tell them, what's up? Step one, tell me where to send the bonuses as far as what email address do you want me to send them to? And then number 2, you're going to be sent over to sign up for the challenge, right? For some instances, I need them to send me, or I want them to send me a copy of their receipt for going and purchasing through my affiliate link, right? And I tell them, forward me your receipt to this email address. It'll have everything that you need inside. And then once I get your receipt, your bonuses will be sent out within 48 hours. Usually it's way faster than that, but I give myself a nice window as far as just saying, stating 48 hours. And again, just to give you a couple more examples here. So for this one here, this is for promoting a book, and I tell them, if you get that book, you'll get 4 free bonuses from me. Here's exactly what you're getting from me. Here's the detail and explanation of these 4 bonuses, and then I tell them very clearly, let me know where to send your bonuses. You'll be redirected to the actual page to get this thing, and these bonuses are only for people who purchase this Copywriting Secrets book on the next page, right? And then I get their name and email address. And the cool thing is with this is that not only am I promoting these products and, you know, making affiliate sales off of it, it's also building my list, because people have to put in their name and email address in order to progress towards you know, getting the affiliate offer and getting these actual bonuses from me. So it's kind of a double-edged sword there, and it works really, really good. So the next mistake you want to avoid is just not, you know, like going and doing this kind of thing. Even if you're only promoting one product, even if you just get started and promote one product, go make an offer, promote one product, right? Because what you want to do is use step 1 and step 2. So go create an offer and then go and actually make it simple and promote it, whether it's to your Facebook group, your Facebook friends, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, whatever, but go and actually promote this thing. So I'm going to show you what $817.80 in the last 30 days with no ad spend looks like. Because like I said, I just do this passively as far as my ad spending. It goes towards other stuff, other funnels. This is just kind of something I have passively running on the side here. So here we can see I broke it down. I set my date range to 30 days, and I pulled up just all the stuff that had a transaction listed beside it here. So you can see there was 2 signups for ClickFunnels, and the great thing about ClickFunnels is that's a recurring revenue opportunity. If someone signs up for ClickFunnels under your affiliate link, you're going to get a percentage of their monthly ClickFunnels bill that they pay. Right, so as long as they're a ClickFunnels customer, you're going to get some affiliate commission for that. So the great thing is once you get, like, you know, 3 or 4, depending on which plan you're on, but you get some affiliates underneath you, then that essentially covers the cost of your own ClickFunnels service. So you definitely want to set up something like that. But you can see, so there was 2 ClickFunnels subscriptions. I had 1 copy of Jim's Copywriting Secrets book for a whopping $1. But the great thing about that is, like, it was just practice, really, just to learn to go and make another offer in regards to this book. And I just sat down and, you know, tried to crank out an offer. And obviously somebody took me up on it because of the dollar there. But what you have to remember is these are all sales funnels, right? So for every, you know, after every 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th person who takes me up on that book, they're going to go through that funnel and they're going to buy not only Jim's book, but then, you know, take advantage of the next upsell in that funnel and the next upsell. And of course, you get a percentage of those purchases of that commission as well, right? So we can see then there was 2 purchases of the funnel scripts, and then there was 1 purchase of the One Funnel Away Challenge. The great thing about that is 100% commission. That course costs $100, the best price training on the internet. And if you promote that One Funnel Away Challenge and someone purchases through your affiliate link, you get the entire $100 commission. So that one there is super awesome to promote. If you're going to promote anything out of this list, you know, maybe start with the One Funnel Away Challenge. Go through the challenge, then promote it to other people, and make your $100 back many times over. I know that I have. So it is a super awesome training. And then the last one, again, lead funnels, swipe file. So that was 1 transaction, $2.80. That's the same thing kind of as the Copywriting Secrets book. There's more stuff after that initial transaction, and that's really the point, is you know, getting people to go through those funnels and take advantage of the additional upsells is where the money's going to be made. But that's 2 more people onto my list that I didn't pay for. I didn't have to advertise to get those people to become leads. Those people are leads on my list, and then I can market to them in the future. So that's, yeah, is that Awesome or what? I think so. So that is how to make $3,395 through the ClickFunnels affiliate program without the usual mistakes. You got to see the examples that I showed you there. I'll have some more stuff below. But now is the part where you get your hands on the goods. So I'll have some free blueprints underneath here that you can download as well. There'll be some funnel training, and I've got something else very special that should be below as well. And I can't wait to see you inside. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Hey there, Shawn. Yep, that guy in the little circle picture down below. And I just want to let you know that you can go and grab some free funnel blueprints and a whole lot more over at ShawnBayley.com. But most of all, I want you to go and click on these other videos that are probably playing in boxes on the screen right now, because those videos need some love too. In fact, just never leave my channel. Just go and watch every single video on my channel and tell me what you think. Tell me how these videos could be better, what kind of videos I should make next. Most of all, just go and click, because those videos need love too, and I just want you to watch more of my stuff on my channel. That's it. It's purely selfish reasons. That, and YouTube really likes it when you click on things and watch more of my videos. So go ahead, click on some stuff, get out some popcorn. You know what, just binge watch. Just go to town on every single video in this channel and just watch everything that you can possibly watch in this. Just go ahead and put your feet up, turn that autoplay switch over, and just let me and all my funnel training awesome videos just wash over you like a warm tide awesomeness. And I'll see you inside those next videos that are probably playing in little boxes on the screen.